rebuilding the chicken house. So now starting to get ready for 5 boxes. And here we're gonna put the really small ones in here in this box. And then we're gonna have 5 or 6 hens and 1 rooster in 3 of the boxes that producing chicken. Here. So we have separate the chicken house. And start. I'm gonna show you later. I have bought a egg incubator. So we're gonna take the egg from the hen and then hatch them at home. But we're testing the incubator now. How it works. So these 3 are lying on the egg now, so I'm not gonna touch their eggs. But here we have one that put in egg every day. So I take 1 egg every day and take home. So in 3-4 days we're gonna try the incubator. See how that's gonna end up. But yeah, it's starting to get ready. It's only little net outside here. Then we're gonna take 5 or 6 hen and put in every box and one roaster. Is ready. Not ready. Here we need a door, but just a little bit more. And here is the new pigs sleeping. And here's the black pigs. And here is the first pig that I bought, maybe 1 or 2 months more. I'm gonna sell 5 I think, and keep 5, 6, maybe keep two girls. But they make a really mess. It's raining a lot now in 1 month. So nice. It was like this. It's been raining. The pool is full. We run out of net and nails in the chicken house, so we're gonna start making a better cooking place for me. It's so wet. Here we're gonna make a concrete floor. Cooking rice. See, we have made a roof and gonna make a floor here now. Morning. Look what we got this night. My favorite dog we get. 7. One was dead. 6 new dogs. See, we have rebuilt the chicken house. So now we have 4 boxes with hens and a rooster that produce eggs. And I pick the eggs every day, collect them and put them in an incubator at home. So by ourselves. Here is one box and the nesting boxes here. Here's one lying egg now. I'm gonna collect a little later, and they have so they can go outside here. And in this box we have the small one that we're gonna feed, and so they get bigger. In here we're gonna put the smallest one when we get, and we're gonna buy a heat lamp here, so they have a little warm in the night. So out here is the chicken that we're gonna sell. They grow really fast when you feed them a lot. This is 20 now. And I have 5 hens and 1 roast, 5 to 6 hens, 1 roaster in every cage. So we have 3 for producing egg and 1 for growing. Yeah, here's one egg. Here's none. And we have two hens before we start building. They have started to lay on their eggs, so I have not been able to pick them up. This is laying an egg. Here I pick egg every day. Oh, there is one. But these two lies on maybe 15 eggs each. So there I cannot pick. I think it's only maybe 10 days left and on the hatch. But here's one. So they're laying egg around between 11 and 1. The days. And we have one hen here with 1 small one and 1 with 4. The smallest, they go out, so that's no problem. When I put them in the cage for the small one, they cannot escape. But we must have the heat lamp before we